Basically, singular empirical facts are contingent associations of physical things and their properties. The fact that this glass is red, or physical things and other physical things, like the fact that Berkeley is near to San Francisco. Some, like Strawson, believed that no empirical fact is a thing in the world based mostly on linguistic arguments, like the fact that in the discourse facts are introduced by that clauses. For example, the fact that Caesar crossed the Rubicon, in which they differ from events whose discursive designation isn't bounded with that clauses. For example, the event of Rubicon's cross by Caesar. However, these arguments are weak since ordinary language is too vague and plastic to prove them, and I've challenged them one by one. My conclusion is that fact is a more global term, including two kinds of facts: non-changing facts, like states of affairs, and changing facts, like events and processes. In other words, my proposal is that the concept of fact is an umbrella concept, belonging to a more general category. This concept covers two kinds of facts: the non-changing facts, usually called states of affairs, circumstances, situations, states, and the changing facts, usually called events, occurrences, processes. The facts that 2 plus 2 is 4 and that the book is on the table are states of affairs belonging to the first kind, while the fact that the book falls from the table and that the earth is warming belong to the second kind, as an event and as a process respectively. With this division, we can give another explanation for the proximity of facts with that clauses. The that clause is more akin to the description of non-changing facts. We can really say the state of affairs that the book is on the table, and also the state of affairs of the book being on the table. But it is not really the same thing with the description of changing facts. We can say the event of the book falling, but the event of the fall of the book describes a state of affairs created by the fall. We can say the process that the earth is warming, but the process of the warming of the earth describes a state of affairs, namely the whole process. But it is true that if it is true, then the word fact only heritages the linguistic properties related to different kinds of things that it can designate. If this is true, not only empirical facts can be things in the world, but the term fact, being so general, is the ideal word to identify verifiers in the correspondence theory of truth.